How to filter books in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can filter different books. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Now on the top, you'll be able to see the search bar. Simply tap on the search bar. Now search for the book that you want to search for. Now here on the left top, you'll be able to see this filter icon. Simply tap on this filter icon. So these are the filters. Here there are different options available, so you can select any of the option. So here there are different categories, so you can simply tap on it. Now as you can see, this filter has been added. Now if you go back, these are the results. So in my case, it has been showing no result, but in your case or in any other books, there will be different results available. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.